So this will be very interesting tutorial for those who don't have the laptops but want to learn the Python. So you can learn the Python programming on your mobile phone. So this tutorial is based on how to install Python environment into your mobile phone and how to use it. Also, this tutorial is focused on how to use Jupyter Notebook as we are using on the laptops on the mobile phone. So you have to see this whole tutorial and you can definitely enjoy this tutorial. Go to Play Store and type Python programming app and click. So you will get Pydroid 3. So ID for Python 3. So click on Pydroid 3. It will open a new window. So where you have to click on install. So before that you can read the various things about this app. Click on install. It will take some time for installation. It is installing. Okay, now you can open the Pydroid 3. Now still few files from the Python. It is installing into the environment. So it will take some time for installation. So you have to wait for few seconds. After installation, it will enter into the new file where you can write some program. So this white space, it is for writing a program. You can write complete Python script. So now here we will write the Python program. We'll write with a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 7. I will add this as a c is equal to a plus b, and I will print the result of addition. I will use the print function. Print the output is C. Okay, so after writing this program, you can save this program by clicking over the folder option. Now where you can click on save. Now allow for accessing your device, then go to internal storage. I have created one folder as a Python, so I am selecting that folder, Python folder. Now you can save that file. You can select the folder and give name for that file. Because Python program having extension .py, so I am writing first program means first p.py. So this is my program name. I will save it. Now after saving, you can run by clicking on the yellow button. So click here. So it will give you output. Here is the output is 11. Output is 11. Now you can write the difficult program, or you can write a program by using if else if. So that is also possible. So this was the program and you can run that program. I'm not explaining the complete program, but I will tell you that here you can write the difficult programs or multiple line programs into the Python environment. Now you can also write a program for various other things, means you can import the files. Some files or some modules are already available into this Pydroid environment. For example, I'm using RE, that is nothing but regular expression module. So you can import the regular expression module RE. Then I am taking a T as a text. So where I am writing T is equal to hello friends. Hello friends. How are you? How are you? Okay. Now this is a text string, and from that text string I want to find a match. So that I am writing a is equal to re dot find all. So find all function is already discussed in previous tutorials. So that will find match for all the matches. It will give you, or it will return the list for all the matches. Find all. I want to find a match for characters as A, C, E, then comma, and give the text into it and print A. Then print A. A. Now run this program. You can save it, save into that Python folder, select folder and give the name as regular expression regex.py. Save it, go to the program and click over run. It will find all the matches where the letters are available into that particular text. Now after that you can go to click on pip. So from where you can install various modules, various libraries. So here are the some list of libraries like TensorFlow, PyQt5, Jupyter, Keras. Then you have Matplotlib, NumPy. So various options are there. So click on install. But for that you want Pydroid repository. So you must install Pydroid repository from Google Play Store. So Pydroid repository plugin. So click on install and it will take some time for installation. Now after installation of Pydroid repository, go to the Pydroid environment and then click on install. Here is the NumPy. Now you can see the NumPy is installing. After installation of NumPy, we will use the NumPy package for writing a program. So I will show you how to write a program for NumPy in the Pydroid environment. So you can import NumPy as np, and I am creating an array A is equal to np.array and pass the values. Suppose 1 2 3 4. I'm passing the values 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then print the A. So print A. Then print type of A. Print type of A. Then click on run. You can save it. I already saved into regular expression.py. Here you can find the NumPy nd array. So NumPy library is installed into the environment. Now suppose you want to install Jupyter Notebook into the Pydroid environment, then you can go to quick install, click on Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter and click on install. It will take some time for installation, and you are seeing here the files are installing for Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter. Now installation is completed. Go to terminal and type Jupyter Notebook and press enter. So it will ask for where you want to open. So in Chrome or in other browser. I am opening in Chrome browser. Now go to new and click on Python 3. So this is the new notebook open. So it is similar like a notebook which we are using into the PCs. So same notebook, same structure you can find on your mobile phone. Now I am writing one statement, print hello friends. Okay, hello friends, and I will run this. Same procedure, same thing. Click on run button. It will take some time for displaying the output. Now output is hello friends. So the same operations, same thing available into the Jupyter Notebook that is installed into the mobile phone.